this is, it got guacamole, brown rice, black beans, steak, queso blanco, sour cream, and cheese. So I'm about to eat this. I will say this though, I'm letting y'all know now, I will not be using any more female filters on this channel. Just because I am, and I want to be. Sorry, Jasmine, you cool. Yeah, Jasmine, I ain't gonna lie. Jasmine. I ain't gonna compliment Jasmine. I mean, she's obviously nice looking, attractive. But I'm trying to eat my food, okay? I'm hungry. Oh. How was y'all day today? Was y'all day good? I'm using Snapchat to record these videos. I ain't gonna lie to you though. This gets so spicy. I've been craving this for a few days. It tastes good. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna lie. So good, so good, Man, when you sit still, I'm trying to use the blinds for like a stable, you know what I'm saying? Don't y'all hate when you chew heavy, where you are... Like, come on, man. I'm trying to chew normal, bro. The food tastes good, but it's making that noise. Like, you know what I'm saying? See, watch. I ain't gonna do it on purpose. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about, though, right? Like, the food bussin'. The food busting. I try to say it like that one dude. Hey, y'all ever seen somebody eat like this? Like they got their hand on the silverware like this, like heavy, and they be like, what you doing? Like, come on. I think that's gonna be popular. What you doing? But hey, man, we're a very, very small YouTube channel. Well, I am. But I do enjoy doing this. It's fun. I ain't gonna lie, when I was younger, I used to hate eating in front of people. I don't know, cause I was like, man, what if they laugh at how I chew? Nah, I don't care. I'ma eat. I'm gonna eat. Yeah. You see that steak? I eat that. Well, I ate it all, so I might have to do more of these mukbangs though.